Hello friends, today we are going to see how to delete a record in SQL table. So this is our project. Let's use our new record file. Okay. Now here we used this code to insert a record in our table, which is users, and our database is DB. So let us create another file, then we call it maybe update record.php. So we type PHP structure. Okay, let's increase it. Okay, so let's copy this to connect to the connect to database. So now let us suppose that we have posted email as variable, post email. So to delete a record, so we type, let us create a variable SQL, then we type MySQL query, connect. This is to connect to the database. Now we say delete from users. If we say delete from users, all record will be deleted. So to avoid this, we put where email is equal email. So it means here it will delete a record where email is equal email. So if this record is not found, no record will be deleted. So it means you can first check if the email exists. So we type result equals MySQL query, connect, select email from users where email is equal email. It means here it will select the column email where email is equal email. If we remove this email, then we put this symbol, it means it will select all columns. So no need of putting all, because we don't need all columns. So we put only one column, email. Okay. Now we say if MySQL number of rows result is equal to 0, then if it is equal to 0, it means the record does not exist. We echo email not found. Else then we copy this, put it here. So it means if now number of rows is greater than 0, now it will delete that record. And now we copy this, put it here. So after we say if SQL, then we say echo record deleted successfully. Else echo error cards. Okay, so this is how we delete a record from MySQL table. So remember that if you want to delete all record, here we put delete from users, then we remove this where email is called email. So if we remove this, all record will be deleted. Thank you for watching. See you next time.